Install.
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 Install can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, install can mean 1. To connect, set up or prepare something for use. 2. To admit formally into an office, rank or position. 3. To establish or settle in. As a noun, install can mean 1. Installer. A software utility that installs an application. 2. An installation. Usage originated as a truncated form of the word installation.
The one that we decided to install here is called